How do you define financial independence? Is it a fleeting dream or a goal within your grasp? Today, we'll be exploring this concept and the steps to achieve it. Financial independence isn't a myth, it's a reality that's attainable through a blend of knowledge, discipline, and strategy. At the heart of this journey lies financial literacy, understanding how money works, and the various ways you can make it work for you. It's about developing a strong work ethic, investing in skills and education, and effectively managing your finances. It's about building networks, creating multiple streams of income, and making long-term financial plans. It's about embracing a mindset of abundance and continuously seeking growth. Each of these elements plays a significant role in paving your way towards financial independence. Embark on this journey with us as we reveal the secrets of wealth accumulation and how to attain financial independence. The journey to financial independence begins with a strong work ethic. This isn't just about clocking in hours at the office or ticking off tasks on your to-do list. It's about a commitment to excellence, a relentless pursuit of improvement, and a dedication to your craft. Imagine a strong work ethic as the engine of your wealth-building vehicle. It propels you forward, keeps you moving, and ensures you're consistently heading towards your financial goals. It's about discipline, sticking to your plans even when the going gets tough. It's about consistency, showing up day after day, committed to your journey. Developing a strong work ethic also entails a certain measure of resilience. It's about bouncing back from setbacks, learning from failures, and viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. And above all, a strong work ethic is about integrity. It's about doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Remember, a strong work ethic lays the foundation for your journey to financial independence. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. You've often heard this, right? But what does it mean? It's about acquiring valuable skills and education, the tools that enhance your earning potential. These aren't just the degrees or certifications you've got hanging on your wall. They're the practical skills, the know-how, the understanding that sets you apart in your field. In today's fast-paced world, the job market is in a constant state of flux. Technologies evolve, industries shift, new roles emerge. To stay competitive, continuous learning isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. It's about staying adaptable, staying relevant. And remember, education isn't always formal. It could be a course, a workshop, a book, or even a conversation with a mentor. Every bit of knowledge gained is another tool in your arsenal, so never stop learning, never stop growing. Your skills and knowledge are your greatest assets on the road to financial independence. Money management is not just about earning, but also about saving, investing, and spending wisely. Imagine your finances as a flowing river, where the water represents your income. To grow your wealth, it's crucial to direct the flow in a way that benefits you. This begins with creating a budget. A budget is like a map that guides your financial journey. It helps you allocate your resources effectively and ensures you're not spending more than you earn. Now, while a budget is essential for keeping track of your income and expenses, it's equally important to save and invest consistently. Picture your savings as a dam, holding back a portion of the river's flow. Over time, this saved water accumulates, creating a reservoir of wealth. By investing these savings, you're essentially digging channels from your reservoir into fertile fields of opportunity, such as stocks, real estate, and mutual funds. These channels allow your wealth to grow, yielding a bountiful harvest over time. However, the secret to successful investing lies in consistency and diversification. Just as a farmer wouldn't plant only one type of crop, you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments across a variety of sectors and asset classes helps to spread the risk and increase the potential for returns. But remember, while it's important to save and invest, it's equally important to control your spending. It's easy to be tempted by the latest gadgets or luxurious vacations, but these can quickly drain your reservoir. Instead, be disciplined and focus on spending for needs rather than wants. Exploring diverse investment opportunities and controlling spending are part of strategic financial management, a vital component in wealth accumulation. It's not about hoarding money, but rather about making your money work for you. It's about striking a balance between living comfortably today and securing your future. In conclusion, the path to wealth accumulation isn't just about earning more. It's about managing what you earn wisely. Effective financial management is key to wealth accumulation and financial independence. Your network is your net worth, and multiple income streams are the key to financial stability. This adage rings true in the pursuit of wealth. In the era of globalization and digitalization, networking has become more accessible and more critical than ever. By connecting with diverse individuals, particularly those who have achieved financial success, you can gain valuable insights, uncover new opportunities, and foster relationships that can greatly enhance your financial journey. But networking isn't just about rubbing shoulders with the elite. It's about building genuine relationships, sharing knowledge, and helping others succeed. Because when we help others, we often help ourselves in the process. So, attend that webinar, join that industry forum, reach out to that mentor. You never know where these connections might lead. Now let's talk about multiple income streams. Relying on a single income source can be risky. If that source dries up, you're left in a precarious situation. That's why creating multiple income streams is so important. It could be a side hustle, a part-time job, or even a small business venture. The key is to diversify your income in a way that aligns with your skills, interests, and life circumstances. And speaking of diversification, career advancement is another significant aspect. Continually seeking opportunities for growth in your chosen field can lead to higher earnings over time. It's about being strategic in your career choices, focusing on industries with potential growth, and continuously improving your skills to stay competitive. Of course, starting a side hustle or launching a business venture requires effort and dedication. It can be challenging, and there might be failures along the way. But remember, each failure is a stepping stone to success, an opportunity to learn, grow, and refine your strategies. So as we navigate the path to financial independence, let's continuously expand our networks, diversify our income streams, and seek career advancement. Let's embrace the mindset of continuous improvement, take calculated risks, and remain resilient in the face of challenges. Remember, your networks and multiple income streams can accelerate your journey to financial independence. Financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires long-term planning and the right mindset. The journey to financial independence is not a quick dash to the finish line. It's a long, steady race filled with strategic decisions, calculated risks, and moments of patience. It's about setting your eyes on the horizon and moving towards it, one step at a time. When you think long-term, you prioritize sustainable growth over fleeting gains. You set financial goals that extend beyond the next paycheck, the next purchase, the next debt payment. These goals may include buying a home, starting a business, or building a retirement nest egg. And while the specifics of these goals will differ for each individual, the underlying principle remains the same. Plan for the future and start today. But long-term financial planning isn't just about the numbers on a spreadsheet, it's also about the mindset you cultivate. This is where the concept of an abundance mindset comes into play. It's an attitude that focuses on the potential for growth, the opportunities that lie ahead, rather than the limitations of the present. It's about embracing the belief that you can create wealth rather than just acquiring it. Patience, too, is a vital component of this journey. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial independence. It's about consistently making sound financial decisions day in and day out that compound over time. It's about weathering the storms of economic downturns and market volatility, knowing that brighter days lie ahead. Resilience and positivity are also crucial. There will be setbacks on this journey. There will be times when the market dips, when investments don't pan out, when unexpected expenses arise. But with a resilient spirit and a positive attitude, these obstacles become stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. In the end, it's about understanding that financial independence is not a destination, but a journey. It's a journey that requires long-term planning, the right mindset, and a steadfast commitment to your financial goals. With strategic long-term planning and the right mindset, financial independence is within your reach. As we've explored, financial independence is not a far-fetched dream, but a goal within your grasp. We've navigated through the important facets of this journey, starting with nurturing a strong work ethic, the bedrock of any successful endeavor. We've highlighted the significance of investing in skills and education, the tools that can amplify your earning potential. Our journey then led us to effective financial management, the compass that guides your wealth accumulation. We've underscored the importance of building networks and establishing multiple income streams, the lifelines that ensure financial stability. And finally, we've delved into the mindset of long-term planning, the visionary's lens that focuses on substantial, enduring outcomes. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's the journey that shapes us. Start your journey today, and remember, financial independence is not just about wealth accumulation, but about freedom, security, and peace of mind.